Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, I pay attention control structure in Blade. Okay, before control structure, I say we can access in Blade. For example, we can access default data in Laravel. For example, the current time is curly brackets open and close and time use. Refresh and we see time Unix timestamp. Okay, I use this for convert to default time and use this in project. In addition to template inheritance and display data, Blade also provides convenient shortcuts for common PHP control structures such as a conditional statement and loop. This shortcut provider very clean. There is where, for example, I use if statement in control structures. I use if, else if, and else. In PHP, I use if, and in Laravel, I use if. And for example, dollar status, and else, and if. Okay, else I can use else or else if. I say it is true and false. Okay, if refresh, error, y error, and the status is not defined, and I define in routes in this here, and I say and use this status true. Okay, and if refresh in Udemy, it is okay, refresh, it is true, status is true and it is work. Status is false, refresh, false. If status is true, it is true work, and else status is false, false work. Open documentation of Laravel and Blade and if. Okay, and if I can use is set. I can use is set for additional conditional data already discussed. Is set and empty. I use it in PHP function. If change is set, is clear and is set. Okay, refresh, it is true, and status is work, and if use empty Okay, refresh. It is work. In continue, I use us. If user login in system, I can use us and use guest. For example, I use at us and end us. Okay, if refresh this page, it is hide and guest and guest. Okay, refresh, it is work. Okay, in bullet, if on okay, I can use this loop and other element. In continue project, I use all element in used bullet documentation.